Hello everyone! Today, to celebrate International Women's Day, I'd like to share with you a detailed menu of 5 heartwarming dishes, along with recipes and tips to help you showcase your culinary skills like a true master chef. First up, romantic steak, a dish with a classic and romantic feel. Tender, juicy beef in a rich red wine sauce. It's like the sweetest declaration of love, perfect for a special celebration. For this, you'll need pieces of beef strip loin or ribeye, red wine, unsalted butter, garlic, and rosemary. Don't forget salt, pepper, and fresh asparagus for a beautiful garnish. Pat the beef thoroughly dry, then sprinkle salt and pepper generously on both sides. Heat a pan with a little oil, then sear the beef for about 2 to 3 minutes on each side. Add butter, crushed garlic, and rosemary. Spoon the hot butter over the beef to enhance its aroma. Remove the meat to a plate and let it rest for 5 minutes. This step is crucial for tenderness. In the same pan, pour in red wine and simmer until the sauce thickens slightly. Season with a little salt and sugar to balance the flavors perfectly. Don't skip the resting step. It's the secret to preventing juices from escaping when slicing. Please enjoy this tender and juicy piece of beef with me. May our love be as passionate as the red wine. Next, elegant salmon with passion fruit sauce, a refined and light dish, great for your figure. Its classy flavor combines the richness of fish with the tangy sourness of passion fruit, pleasing to the palate. You'll need a salmon fillet, 3 to 4 passion fruits, honey, unsalted butter, and minced garlic. Serve with fresh asparagus or creamy mashed potatoes for a complete meal. Marinate the salmon with salt, pepper, and olive oil for 10 minutes. Pan fry skin side down first for crispiness, then flip and cook until it's perfectly done. Extract passion fruit juice, then simmer it with honey and unsalted butter until the sauce thickens. Pour this vibrant sauce over the salmon and garnish with fresh asparagus. Salmon cooks quickly, so don't overcook it. This will dry out the meat and reduce its nutritional value. A gift for beauty and health. Enjoy this refreshing flavor with your family. Third, Seafood Hotpot. Nothing is cozier than the whole family gathering around a steaming hot pot. The characteristic sour and spicy flavor of Thai hot pot will brighten up any party atmosphere. Ingredients include shrimp, squid, clams, enoki mushrooms, water spinach, cabbage, and a Thai hot pot base packet. Also, lemongrass, galangal, lime leaves, and rice or regular noodles. Saute the lemongrass until fragrant, then add galangal and shallots, then water and bring to a boil. Add the hot pot base packet and lime leaves. Season to taste for a balanced sour, spicy, salty, and sweet flavor. Arrange the seafood and vegetables beautifully on a plate. Choose very fresh seafood. Add the lime leaves last to preserve their aroma and prevent bitterness. The hot pot is bubbling like my love for everyone. Let's all start the feast. Fourth, creamy seafood pasta. Golden pasta coated in a rich, creamy sauce. This is a favorite dish for those who love romance and sophistication. Ingredients: spaghetti, shrimp, squid, whipping cream, unsweetened milk, onion, garlic, and Parmesan cheese. Boil the pasta with a little salt until al dente. Saute garlic and onion until fragrant, add shrimp and squid and cook until done, then set aside. Pour fresh cream and milk into a pan, simmer over low heat, add cheese until the sauce thickens slightly. Then add the pasta and seafood and stir well. Reserve some pasta cooking water. This helps the sauce adhere better to the pasta. This rich, creamy flavor is for the sweetest woman. Please enjoy it while the pasta is still hot. Finally, fruit and sprout salad with yogurt dressing, our beauty salad, a touch of green for the soul and skin. This is the perfect appetizer, balancing flavors for a complete celebration. Ingredients: sprouts, strawberries, avocado, apple, cashews or walnuts, plain yogurt, honey, and lemon juice. Wash the sprouts and fruit thoroughly. Cut the vegetables into bite-sized pieces. Make the sauce: 1 container of yogurt, 1 tablespoon of honey, a few drops of lemon juice, and a pinch of salt. Arrange the vegetables and fruit on a plate. Sprinkle with nuts and drizzle with the yogurt sauce just before serving. Only drizzle the sauce right before eating to prevent the vegetables from becoming soggy and the fruit from becoming watery. A light and refreshing start to the party. Wishing all our women to always be as youthful as this salad. Happy International Women's Day. Thank you for cooking with me. If you enjoyed this dish, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more simple and special recipes. See you next time.